Hello everybody, this is Matt from IPDET. As we know from your emails and the comments on our social media channels, some of you want to know about basics in Excel. So today I want to show you how to display your data in Excel with just a few clicks. For this purpose I have prepared some examples. First, here you see a small list with the number of winners of a lottery company within 11 years. Use your mouse to mark both columns. Click on Insert, go to Charts, choose one, and here it is. In some cases you have to adjust the title, but here it works. Now you can change the style or the color, and that's it. Useful or very useful could be the filter. It's here. Here you can select individual data and compare them separately. For example, 3 years, only 3 years. That's how it works. If you want to add new data to your chart, do it like that. There will be no connection between your input and your data. So first click your chart, and then you see the marked area, so enlarge it, and here it is, 2011. Every webinar will start with a small welcome round and the chance to talk about comparative tools. Then you'll get a short presentation, and afterwards there is time for a Q&A session before we close. If you want to see and hear more about basics with Excel, for example handling large amounts of data, filtering, comparing, sorting, and so on, click on the link below or use the input form on our homepage to let us know. Thanks for your interest.